roj, meh و damsal. Days, months and seasons. roj, days. شەمی, Saturday. یەکشەم, Sunday. دوشەم, Monday. سێشەم, Tuesday. چارشەم, Wednesday. پێنجشەم, Thursday. این, Friday. هەفتەیە بۆری, last week. هەفتەیە پێش, next week. ئەف هەفتە, vê هەفتەی, this week. ئینە بۆری, last Friday. پێنجشەمە بێ, next Thursday. ئەف چارشەم, vê چارشەمی, this Wednesday. هەفتەیە بۆری, ئەو لەڤر بوو, he was here last week. هەفتەیە پێش, وەرە ئامودێ, come to ئامودێ next week. Tu ڕۆژە چارشەمێ نەچە سینەمای. Don't go to the cinema on Wednesday. Ez ê sêşeme bê biçim sobay. I will go to swimming on next Tuesday. Pênşeme borî ez li wir bûm. I was there on last Thursday. Meh, months. Çile, rêbendan, January. Sıbat, reşemî, February. Adar, March. Nisan, Avril, April. Gulan, May. Haziran, Puşber, June. Temmuz, Tîrmeh, July. Tebağ, Gelaweş, August. İlûn, Razber, September. Cotmeh, Kewçêr, Oktober. Mijdar, Sermawez, November. Kanûn, Berfanbar, December. Çileya bûrî, pir sar bû. It was very cold last January. Ez ê Sibatê li wir bim. I will be there in February. Demsal, seasons. Havîn, summer. Payîz, autumn, fall. Zivistan, winter. Bahar, spring. Kurdistan, havînê germ e. Kurdistan is warm in summer. Bahar, meheke xweş e. The spring is a nice season.